Alright, imagine this. You're on a winding path, surrounded by emerald hills and snow-dusted peaks, ancient monasteries, and friendly locales offering you a cup of yak butter tea. Welcome to the Helambu Valley Trek, a hidden gem just a hop away from Kathmandu, and honestly, one of Nepal's best-kept secrets for both new and seasoned trekkers. Now, before you lace up your boots and start daydreaming, let's break down everything you need to know about the Helambu Valley Trek, especially how much it's going to cost you, the permits, the perfect time to visit, and what your adventure could look like day by day. First up, permits. You'll need two. The Langtang National Park entry permit, which is about $30, and a TIMS card, which costs around $20. For Indian citizens, good news. The rates are often lower, sometimes half, depending on updated policies. Just keep your passport handy and you're all set. Now, what about the itinerary? The classic Helambu Trek is 7 days. Here's a quick look at what you'll get. Day 1, start from Sundarijal near Kathmandu. Trek up to Chisapani, lush forests, waterfalls and local villages. Day 2, Chisapani to Kutumsang. Day 3, up to Thadapati, with jaw-dropping mountain views. Day 4, head down to Tarkegyang, known for its Buddhist heritage. Day 5, trek to Shermathang, passing through yak pastures and apple orchards. Day 6, descend to Malamchi Bazaar. Day 7, drive back to Kathmandu. It's the kind of week you'll remember forever. Let's talk costs. If you're going solo, expect to spend about $350 to $500 for a basic trek. Permits, food, accommodation and transport included. For couples, you can often share rooms and guides, so it's slightly less per person, maybe $300 to $450 each. Group trekkers? Even better. If you join a group, costs drop to $250 to $400 per person, depending on group size. Food and basic lodge accommodation will cost around $25 to $35 per day. Think dal bhat, momos, soups, and plenty of sweet tea. Rooms are simple but comfortable, usually $5 to $10 a night. Transportation. A local bus from Kathmandu to Sundarijal and back from Malamchi costs just a few bucks. Call it $10 round trip. But if you want a private jeep for comfort, it's about $80 to $100, which you can split with your group. Guides and porters, totally worth it for safety and local insight. A licensed guide runs about $25 to $30 per day. Porters, $20 to $25 per day. Not only does it ease your load, but it also supports local families. If you want a full package, permits, porter, meal, accommodation, transport, agencies like Himalayan Adventure Intl offer it all for about $400 to $600, depending on your group and comfort level. Map-wise, you'll find Helambu snuggled north of Kathmandu, bordering the Langtang region. Google Maps and trekking maps will be your best friend. Why trek? Less crowds, rich Tamil and Sherpa culture, rhododendron forests, and those jaw-dropping best time, October to April. Clear skies. How to book? Simple. Research, compare agencies, check reviews, and book online or in Kathmandu's Tamil area. So if you're craving real adventure, culture, and a break from the busy trails, Helambu Valley is calling. Trust me, this trek isn't just a walk in the mountains. It's a journey into the heart of Nepal. See you up there.